Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to cover one, when is the best time of the day to trade? And then number two, what are the best days of the week to trade? And I'm going to be honest, it's not a popular opinion out there. But first, the best time of the day to trade, in my opinion, early morning, first hour and last hour of the day. Let me tell you why here. Here I am, I'm looking at the SPY 30-minute chart. Now we can see volume down below. The first hour of the day, these are 30-minute candles. Look at volume pick up, and then the last hour of the day, look at volume right here pick up. It's massive, right? Massive, massive moves. Love it. Now what happens is this. The first hour of the day, you have all your mutual funds, all your institutional players out there. They go and they put in their orders. It causes price and stocks to move. As a trader, that's exactly what you want because price movement, volatility creates opportunity. Now what happens though after that demand, after that volatility stops? Well, volume dries down, not just in the S&P or the QQQ for the NASDAQ or the IWM for the Russell 2000, pretty much in every stock or every stock that makes up these indexes. So volume, to be honest, it gets really poor. It really dries out. We're going from 9.6 million shares to around lunchtime, here I am in Florida, to about 2.7 million shares. If you're an option buyer, that stinks because your options are probably decaying in value. That option premium is getting sucked away. And as an option buyer, you really want demand for those price of those options to go up, that volatility to go up, right? So avoid the middle of the day. Go out to lunch, go play around, go to the driving range, go out with a friend, go walk the park, go out on the boat, go enjoy your life around lunchtime. Come back the last hour of the day because you'll have volume pick up. And right now in today's market, with the big rally going on, you're having a lot of these bears that are betting against the market. Well, their brokers are forcing them to cover, and that usually happens in that last hour of the day, causing a short squeeze. Now, another thing I want to cover, and this is very, very unpopular. I'm going to tell you not to trade Mondays. In fact, we still call them to this day. We used to say it back in the day, and I still say it with my trading buddies. Mondays are premium burn chop days. What I mean by that is Mondays, the options, the market makers cause the price of the options to go up because everybody, you wake up Monday morning, you want to go on your trading desk, you want to put in all these orders, get prepped for the week, right? But so does everybody else. You have no advantage. So what the market makers will do is they'll cause the price of the options to become expensive because demand is high, and then they'll just make them go sideways. Demand will dry off by the end of the week. So if you're an option seller, you love it. If you're an option buyer, I'm going to tell you, avoid Mondays. We call them premium burn Mondays. And my favorite day of the week to trade, Friday. While Wall Street and everyone's at the Hamptons and everyone's away, maybe they're playing their round of golf out there, Friday, in my opinion, is the best trading day of the week. Friday morning and Friday, again, last hour of the day. The reason why, option prices are cheap. Okay, nobody's expecting a big move in the markets. Nobody out there. And really, the big players, they're not playing. They're not playing the game. So as the small guy, the retail trader, you don't have to go up against those experts, those pros, those big players out there, which gives you a huge advantage. You can buy short-dated options very, very cheap because the market makers aren't implying a crazy move on a Friday. And in fact, you can actually prep for your week ahead on Friday while option prices and while the stocks aren't moving. You have to love that. And especially this. You've had a lot of biotech M&A. ARQL just got bought out by Merck. AUPH just had positive drug news where these stocks were up, 100, 150%, massive moves. You will often see large buying. And what I'm seeing recently, late Friday afternoon while nobody is there at the trading desk, while everyone's asleep or everyone's away, and you can actually plan for your week doing your option orders and getting prepped on that Friday afternoon. In fact, quick story, I bought some ARQL calls on a Friday afternoon, and I woke up, I'll actually pull it up here, I woke up the other day, this was literally this Monday, I bought some ARQL calls on Friday. Again, not much price going on, right? not much action going on this Friday. And I woke up Monday morning and the stock was from, I think it was around $10, just under 9 to about $19. They got bought out by Merck for $20 a share. The stock was up 99%, and my call options were up 860%. It was absolutely phenomenal. And if I wasn't there at my trading desk Friday, well, I would have missed out on the trade. I had several traders play the stock, making well over 100% return, and some of the option players I know, they were making 500. One guy messaged me saying he made 2,000% on some out the money calls. I bought the January 10s. Again, massive move. The stock got bought out at 20 bucks. I know some people that bought December 15s, January 15s, and these options just absolutely exploded. Some going from like 40 cents to over 5 bucks. One guy said he bought call options for I think it was 25 cents, and they went up massively in value. It was just phenomenal because, again, Friday, that's where the big moves happen. So again, let me know what your trading day looks like, your best time of the day to trade, and maybe you can get some of that odd, suspicious buying on a Friday afternoon and catch that big home run. Thanks, everyone.